Hey y'all, what's up? So, today, stuff's about to go down. I look crazy. Don't mind it, please. Also, my hair is frizzy. I have other videos I'm gonna film today, so I gotta start with this first. So, what we're doing today, as you can see by the title, oh no, what am I doing? We are giving ourselves a lash lift or a eyelash perm. I have seen Jenna Marbles do it. Iconic. I have seen so many videos just so that I don't completely mess up my eyes and go blind. Let me tell you why I'm doing this. First of all, I have straight lashes. I don't know if you can tell. But my lashes are so straight, and I have always wanted nice, long, beautiful, curly lashes that, you know, would go up to my freaking eyebrows. Go up to the heavens. So, when I found out about this, that you could do it at home and didn't have to spend hundreds of dollars a year to get this done every 4 to 6 weeks, I was hyped. I was like, okay, sign me up. Where do I get it? So I got this for my birthday, actually. Thanks, Mom. So we just gonna get into it and start. Okay. So first things first, my lashes need to be cleaned. They're already cleaned. I haven't put any makeup on or anything like a week or two, maybe. Like, this quarantine has been a blessing in disguise because my skin has been loving it. Besides my chin. My chin is like, what's going on? Anyway, off topic. So, already got... Oh my gosh, I'm actually doing this. I'm so nervous. I don't want to go blind. Ah! Okay. So, I have, some of the videos that I've seen, they said to use toothpicks to get the eyelash on the pad. Some have used cotton swabs. So, okay, step 1, use cleanser number 4 to remove the oil, dust, or makeup residue. I should probably just do that just in case. Just in case there's any small amount of oil on my eyes, which I don't think there is. I'm going to use cotton rounds. OMG. What am I doing to myself? Okay. Number 4, cleanser. I was excited to do this, and now the nerves are like really kicking in. Like, I'm really about to do this to myself. And I've heard that the perm solution stinks, which, I mean, makes sense, because if you get an actual perm, the solution smells god awful. Okay. Now I'm just making sure, this probably looks crazy, but I'm just making sure that my eyes are nice and dry and don't have any residue or oil or whatever on them. Okay. Step 1, complete. Didn't think I was going to do it, but here we are. Okay. Step 2, select a lift pad. And I'm putting the little thing back on there. That way they don't dry out. Select a pad. How curly do I want my lashes? Let's think about this real quick, because the smaller one I use, the higher they're gonna be, the more curly they're gonna be, I should say. Because if I use a nice thick one, it's just, there's gonna be barely a lift. I think I'm gonna do the small, that way my eyelashes are like lifted to Jesus. Yeah, let's do the small ones. Now put false lashes glue on the lift pads. Then place it over the eyelid and align it right above your eyelashes and make sure it stays. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the glue on the lift pad and then wait for it to get tacky, then apply it. I've also seen in like 1 or 2 videos that you should do one eye at a time. I will be back. I think I'm going to do my left eye then my right eye because my right eye is obviously my dominant side. So I think we're going to do the left side just so that I can get the bad one out and done first and then go on and do the second one. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Okay, I got it on. Okay, I probably should have read the rest of the direct. Okay, it's kind of hard to like get it to stick all over, but oh, my vision is so blurred right now. Oh no, did I put it down too low? Oh gosh, I think I did. Crud. Okay. Okay, I don't know. Okay, anyway, so then next, apply false lashes glue onto the eyelashes and lift pad. Oh, Grace. Oh, Grace. Okay. This is like really scary because like if I make one wrong move, I could potentially go blind. Okay, I'll be back. This looks real weird. Okay, now we want to adhere. Oh my gosh. See, that's how straight my lashes are. They don't even want to do this. Look at that. Damn. I got some strong lashes. They just keep going down. No, stay, 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 stay. No. Okay. Maybe if I just hold it for a second. Some of them are staying, some of them aren't. Oh, this is gonna be a fail. I really hope not. Oh my gosh. Okay. This looks weird. This is working. Yeah. For sure. Oh, okay, there's glue on there. Okay, I just need to try to not blink so much. Okay. This is actually kind of fun once you like get the hang of it. Okay, I got them all on there, or the majority of them. I like really don't care about the inside or the outside. Like if it fans out, perfect, fine, whatever. Okay. Now, apply perm solution onto eyes, then cover with plastic film for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. So, okay. I want to get the plastic wrap ready before I put the perm solution on my eyes. Because the perm solution is what could literally blind me. Like, this is really close to my eye. Like, does nobody understand that? Nobody get that? Okay. Say a prayer for my lashes. Okay, now, okay. The lighting was kind of bad. Yep, that smells like perm. Okay. Okay, Grace. Oh, Grace, we really doing it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Probably should get some more on there. Oh my gosh, y'all. We really out here. We really doing it. Okay. Now I think the next time that I do it, I only do it to like the root. But since this is the first time, I'm putting it all over the lash. And it comes with like a nourishing oil. So like I'm not too concerned. Oh my gosh. There is perm on my eye. Okay, 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, what time is it? Okay, 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, there's my lashes. Okay, so they came off a little bit. I don't know if that's normal or not. Okay, now I think we need to take it off and then put the neutralizer on. They call it the fixation. I think that actually smells a lot better. I think next time I'm possibly going to curl my lashes beforehand and then do this. I feel like that would have been so much easier. Put this on for 4 to 5 minutes and then I should have beautiful curly lashes. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, this is the final look. I think they look spectacular. Okay, here's this side. And then here's this side. I think they look awesome. I recommend that you curl your lashes before you go and do it, and then waiting for the glue to get tacky before you put the pad on and before you put the lashes on the pad. But I think that this was a successful first try. I'll definitely keep y'all updated on, you know, how they do day to day or whatever. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you would like to see next, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know every time I post a video. I think that's it. If y'all have any like questions or I don't know, comments or whatever, just leave them down below. And also follow me on Instagram so you can see more updates there instead of having to wait, you know, a week to see, you know, what happened to my lashes or whatever. So, because I'll definitely be updating on my Instagram how my lashes are doing. Keep an eye out on Instagram because I'll definitely be updating. And I believe that's it. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.